Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create PROFORMA invoice here in Zoho Books. All right, so first up, log into your Zoho Books account. Now, once you're in here, go to the left panel and click on Sales, like so. Now click on Codes, okay? If you want to as well, you can just easily click on the plus sign, but if you want to click on Codes, you have the blue button right here that says Create Code. All right, so just click on it. Now go ahead and customize or fill in the customer's information like item descriptions, quantities, and prices. Okay, let's say I'm just going to go ahead and add in random information right here, for example. All right, and once that's done, scroll down, fill in the item table right here, shipping charges if you want to as well, and the adjustments. Okay, customer notes right here if you want to add in, and the terms and conditions. If you want to upload your terms and condition, you can go ahead and do that in here. Okay, and once that's done, go ahead and click on Save and Send. If you're not happy with this particular template, you can go ahead and edit this one. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and save and send it for now. Here you have it. Okay, all you need to do is just hit on Send right here. But again, if you don't like this specific PDF, you can go ahead over to Settings right here at the top right. Click on it. Now go ahead and find PDF templates right here under Customizations. Click on it, and once done, here you have Codes. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on New. All right, just hit on New, and you can go ahead and select from one of these templates. Okay, just basically select one. For example, under Universal, I'm going to go ahead and select this one right here. Use this. Use. Now in here in the left panel, go to Transaction Details. Now under Document Details, just make sure that you name this one as PROFORMA, okay? Or PROFORMA Invoice. That's basically it. That is how you create PROFORMA Invoice here in Zoho Books. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.